This Cannonball has been a beast. Oh, you know? No. Get over, Pam. No. No. No, I gotta, no. 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 Oh my God, my arms. Oh, they are not loose, guys. They are not loose.
Day 6, part 2.
I asked GotMojo if this land is sacred because no, because I might have to pee on this land. No. I'm having a dirt sandwich right now, guys. Earlier today, I was following GotMojo on the gravel road, and I didn't have bark busters on my thing here. Rocks were hitting me in the hands, guys. Oh, it was hurting me bad. No. Hit me in the shins. I was trying to tuck my shins behind my leg guard, but they were finding me. And then I was staggered with him. First, I was behind him, and I was like, oh, he's kicking up so much rocks. I stagger, which where you're supposed to be. And maybe I was riding too damn close. I just know he can ride faster in the dirt, and I didn't want to get lagged behind, you know? So I was trying to go fast, and those things were hurting me. Hit my shins and my hands. One of them got real good, and I think it got his camera, rear camera, got me shaking my hand. And my hand's been hurting. I had to eat Advil yesterday, and I'm fully holding the grip without my thumb around it and just using the, cramp buster rest. My digestion is effed. I had a meat burger, pocket burger yesterday. It was wonderful. So I got a Philly, gluten-free Philly cheesesteak pizza. It was delicious from Fire Pit. Oh, Pizza House near the hotel. I allowed myself one Bud Light on tap. It's the best beer. For a victory, even though I wasn't going to drink on Cannonball because I need all my strength and I need to drink water and electrolytes and have as much power because I burn out because I run hot, as you can tell. No. I gotta get to where he is. I gotta get to where he is. I gotta get to where I get to. That side looks better. Come on. Here I was like, I better not drink alcohol and I better not eat pizza again. And after Pocket Burger and the Philly cheesesteak pizza and I guess the beer and then water and electrolytes, please, for the love of God. Please, for the me. I don't have it. I don't. Saved it, Taggart and her ladyship are rallying this so hard, and her ladyship is winning, and we're going to have the royal king and queen of Cannonball. I told ladyship, I want you to win this so bad. I hope you do it, and I love you guys. And thanks for getting me air, Taggart. Look, I really needed it today. When we decided to up it, I went 30.5 the other day, and we went 32 in the back. So after I get through this freaking nightmare, all the dirt today, and we've been wiring full watt, except for like this, obviously. I mean, come on, I don't have the skills for that. I'm not a Taggart. Take your pick, which one? I'm not a Taggart. I might have lost my team t-shirt. Not Fast, Not Furious. I thought I had it in the laundry bag. And Beth, thank you for doing my laundry. And the boys, Grady and Ryder. The support means so much to us. I told Beth last night, it means so much to us what you do. Everybody and the boys taking care of us, it means so much to us Riders because you're letting us do this and you're helping us. Such big, immense help. And I heard that Grady, oh yes, thank you, Lord. Grady, I heard that you changed a tire all by yourself last night and helped out a rider. That is amazing, young man. Oh, what's that, a bunny? No. What is that? Gophers? Land squirrels? This is more manageable. See, that's what happens. Like you start riding some gnarly stuff and then you're like, oh, this is nothing. Okay, LM15, look how I'm doing. You proud of me? I'm flying above the washboards. Say old as dirt in 2018. You were the one that said, go fast. And I was like, how fast? And he's like, go fast and you'll stay on top of them. Okay, so this GT, I love it so much. Flintstone feet. Get over here and don't beat me down. People are tech talking about the bike. That's always interesting, all the different opinions and theories. And they're not theories till they're proven. The hypothesis is my double E Barry from Vermont told me their hypothesis until proven to be a theory. I have a tattoo appointment scheduled in August with a shoebox tattoo. Lance is the artist. Los Angeles. It might be Universal City. Me. No. Anyways, I'm getting a tattoo. And what I'm trying to say is I'm getting a wacky racer. And, no, I'll get off the... I'm also going to get the GT200 here, number 89. Oh. Is that everything? Oh, God. Nope. I've got to focus now, guys. Oh, these are turns in this crap. And I'm not a dirt rider. Look, I've gotten way better. Like I said, I came to be competitive this year. Oh, and he said, don't go down. Don't go down. Here we go. This looks better. Here we go. GoPam, go. GoPam. Nope. Car. Washboard time again. Car. You are not my friend. You are. Make me go on this rougher terrain. It was smoother over there. And I have gone insane today. Every day on this ride. Every day. But GoPam still alive. And my bike still alive. We've been tested, tried and true. We don't know always what to do, where to go, don't know. Electronics turned off for when I ride, and I don't want to fall off. I'll make it out this dirt, I'll make it there, you see. I gotta get to Eureka, Cali, woo! Off the top of my head, I'm singing this song. Crazy hopped up adrenaline, riding along, following GotMojo, don't you know? Real men ride pink. Real men ride pink or pinky. Real men ride pinky. Oh no. But I'm having the time of my life. Well, Birdie, not me too. What is with it? Are we bird magnets? What's this person? Are they down? You good? This is a point photo. He's okay. How many more miles? I mean, of the dirt.
A lot.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Okay.
Keep your wits about you.
I'm focused, dude. Oh, is this a photo?
Yeah.
Alright. Which way are we going next? Gonna turn around. That. Doing this. Because I think that's the way we need to go. Turning around and no grab all the time. Can't be bothered with this. Keep your wits about you, he says. GotMojo, I was singing you a song. I thought it was pretty witty. Oops. No service still available. Take check on photo. Sign. Get these effing guys. Get this. I'm in the way of a car. See? Which way? Up there? This way? Okay. I see it. Watch the car. Yeah, I know. Is that Barry from Vermont? Is that a green plate? It is. That's my double E. Sitting on his scoot. He helped Pammy, troubleshoot. Yeah, he helped fix my ride with GotMojo too. And this morning I took my real poo. For the first time today. I might my pants a second time today. We're riding the for many more miles. Yeah, I think I'm okay. I still have a smile 'cause I have not gone down on this bike today. I'm gonna ride it out the entire way. Upright, rubber down. Yes, you heard me right. I am going to do this with all of GoPam's might. Cannonball, it's a test of rider and machine. You put yourself in the elements when you succeed and when you have the hardships and you succeed. The gratification, the confidence is so much more rewarding. I saw that big bump. I'm not gonna take a big bad thump. This is in my blood. It is in my heart. I'm a cannonballer, and sometimes at night I fart. In my sleep when I eat garbage on the route all day. Why am I going this fast? Why did I all of a sudden think I was awesome? Why am I going too fast for this dirt? What am I thinking? I do not want to get hurt. Oh, the other part of the tattoo, now that I can do this. Donald Duck. There goes wbdvt. Faster than me, because he's got the skills on Cannonball, you see. Is somebody down or is somebody down? Because, oh! I see where they went. I see where they went. So somebody must have gone down. I just squiggled on that. I think I saw their squiggle lines. Oh. Somebody go down?
Yeah.
I could see the squiggle lines. I just squiggled in it too. Who the Forza?
Huh?
The Forza? Who went down?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Forza with the dirt on. Who is that? Oh hi. Oh, that's Mr. 152. Whose ride is that? Okay, 152. I know Aaron ATX, to Texas guy, Austin. All right, dude. And then who's this? Who's this? I don't know who this is. What number? But look, see, somebody went down on this crap. 40 PSI is more than my Ducati Monster 821. No, it was like 36 something. 36 and change PSI, and that has big ass sport bike wheels. You tell me to put 40 PSI in a GT200. Everybody's joking about sabotage. I'm like, everybody's all, you trying to sabotage her? I'm like, yeah, you trying to sabotage me? I overfilled my MSR bottle last night because you need to leave expansion air so it doesn't, lock up, explode, whatever. And I had to dump a little out, and they go find Andrew's bike. He could always use some gas, and go dump some in there. That was just a little bit, but might as well throw it in his tank, right? I don't think his stuff even locks. It's just always open. I think the thing might even be broken. So I just lift it up and pour my MSR in there. And then two guys, QuasiMotard. Quasi, you're f***ing a badass, man. And I think it was ErivV. ErivV and Cletha. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. I'm pouring this bottle in this tank, and ErivV and QuasiMotard are like, are you sabotaging him? What are you pouring in his tank? Sugar? And I was laughing so hard. Everybody's making sabotage jokes. It's pretty funny. A lot of bikes went out last night. Mr. Clean is still with us, I believe. Like his bike, he's had so many fuse problems and stuff. Mr. Clean, I love you, dude. I love you. Kevin, Mr. Clean. What's this? Oh, a turn. I gotta slow down. Oh, and by the way, I'm riding without my hand gripping the throttle because of my surgery hand hurts so bad. My surgery hand. So I'm riding like this. You see that? I don't know if you see that, but my thumb is on top. So there you go. Ugh, my digestion is screwed. The adrenaline is just punching my stomach straight up to my brain, which is a rush, and then my gut wants to throw up. I've already told myself if I have to throw up, I'm just throwing up in my helmet. I don't care, and I'm keeping going. I don't care. And I skittled on that. I'm in the. Oh my god. I got a little airborne on that giant. GotMojo, why are you so good at this? GotMojo's like, is that all Advil? I'm like, yes. When I pulled out a little Ziploc bag. GoPam tip, rookie tips for yes, is know your strengths and weaknesses, and my hand is a weakness and I need Advil. I'm also thinking about, instead of buying a new scoop, maybe rebuilding this one and rebuilding the electrical and running her again in the next Cannonball. Yep, I'm already, it's in my heart. I'm a Cannonballer. GotMojo has given me so many tips and so many things and so much help, and I wouldn't be here without all of his advice and his navigation and his jumping and his everything he's done for me. Everything. And you know what I've given him? Oh, I lost my grease pencil. It's a grease pencil. And I gave him one of these grease pencil holders. And oh my god, is it Road? I love you. I gave him a grease pencil. And then, okay, I need some water. Is that it? Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm alive. Are you good? Take a breath. No, go. Am I good? Yeah, I'm upright. I didn't die. I didn't get injured, and I'm cannonballing. Yeah, I'm good. Let's go get this, baby.